Right, we're in the key of E. We're in the key of E. And let's learn the diatonic chords in the key of E. So we're in the key of E, as I said. Right? And we're going to be learning the diatonic chords in this key. And this is how it's going to go. Like, so we're going to learn the diatonic chords from 1 up to 7. So diatonic chords simply means, the chords within the key that you're playing in. And right now we are in the key of E. So we're going to look at 1 up to 7. And then after, we're going to demonstrate how you can incorporate this in your song progressions, right? Let's not waste time. Let's get started and let's look at 1. This is going to be a 1. Yeah. So I'm gonna be using both my hands, right? And I'm gonna try to be slow and break it down, show you what I'm playing both on my left hand and what I'm playing on my right hand. And I'm gonna be calling these notes out using the numbering system, right? Because I believe that it makes it easier that way, and that's how most of the time we communicate during the lessons on this on this channel. But let's get to it. So one. So on my left hand, I'm playing my 1, playing my 5, and playing my 2, right? My right hand, I'm playing my 1, 5, 7, 2. All together, that's how it sounds. This is my 1, right? Now let's move to 2. This is my 2. So what am I playing there? On my left hand, I'm playing my 2, 6, 1. And with my right hand, I'm playing my 4, 3, 5, 1. And this is how it sounds together. Now let's move on to 3. This is my 3. What am I playing there? I'm playing 3 with my left hand. I'm playing my pinky finger is on 3, and then my other finger is on 7, my other finger is on 2, right? And this is how it sounds all together. With my right hand, I'm on sharp 4, 5, 6, 3. So remember, it's your 1. Let's move to 4. This is your 4. Get used to how it sounds, right? So what am I playing on my left hand? 4, 6, 1, 3 with my left hand. Now with my right hand, I'm playing 5, 6, 1, 3. And this is how it sounds like all together. Now let's move on to 5. This is my 5. What am I playing there? With my left hand, I'm playing 5, of course, 7, and then 4. With my right hand, pretty much the same thing. 5, 7. The only difference is this one here. 2, then 4. Right? Let's move on to 6. So what am I playing then? With my left hand, 6, 1, 3. With my right hand, 7, 1, 2, 5. And then all together, this is how it sounds. Now let's go to our last diatonic chord, 7. So what am I playing there? 7, 2, 4, 6. With my right hand, sharp 1, 3, and then 6. And back to 1 again. So 1, 7, 6, 5. I'm descending now. 4, 3, 2. Right, so let's do that again for the last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this are your diatonic chords, right? And let's learn how you can incorporate or use this in a song progression, right? And we always take the song when we're doing diatonic chords. Thank you, Jesus. Simple song. Yeah, there's no other song that comes to my mind right now, but let's just use this one. Thank you. And pay attention to how I'm incorporating this diatonic chords, right? More than just the song progression. Yeah, pay attention to that. Thank you, Here we go. Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. So you saw that, right? Let's do that again. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. So I'm using diatonic chord of 4. Here it goes. Then I'm going to 2. Then I'm going to 5. Diatonic chord. Then I'm going back to my normal chords. So I used 4, I used 2, I used 5. Then I went back to my normal chords. I hope you learned, how you can incorporate, this diatonic chords in your playing. And look, just try this out. It might not work out the first time. It might work out every time, but don't be afraid to try, everything that you're learning. Every time when you learn something new, don't be afraid to try that out. Try it out. I mean, obviously you don't have to use all the diatonic chords in one song. Maybe you might need to use them. I don't know, I've never done that. But sometimes you might find yourself that you're using only one diatonic chord. Like in my case, most of the worship songs, I know that I'm using 4 and 2 a lot, right? And sometimes I might use 3 there and then. But yeah, look, practice this, learn this, and then incorporate them in your playing. I hope this improve your playing, and I hope you learn something on this video.